Are you tired of the never-ending battle with cat litter? Let's be honest, scooping isn't exactly a top-tier hobby. Enter the world of automatic litter boxes, where technology meets feline convenience. Say goodbye to your shovel and hello to more quality time with your furry overlord. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best automatic litter boxes, turning your litter duty into a thing of the past. Grab a cup of coffee or catnip, and prepare to revolutionize your kitty's bathroom experience. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Pro, our pick for best budget automatic litter box. If you're searching for the ultimate solution to your litter box woes, look no further than the PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Pro, your new best friend in feline cleanliness. Gone are the days of wrestling with scoops and litter dust clouds. This clever little gadget does the dirty work for you. Yes, you can finally say goodbye to unpleasant odors and hello to a fresh-smelling home, all thanks to its magical crystal litter that absorbs pesky odors like a pro. But wait, there's more! With its low-tracking crystals, you won't find kitty litter scattered across your floors like confetti at a parade. This box is designed to keep things neat and tidy, so you can spend time enjoying your feline friend instead of playing cleanup crew. Plus, it features a disposable tray lined with plastic for added leak protection, so no more unexpected surprises on your favorite rug. As an extra bonus, the integrated health monitor keeps an eye on your kitty's bathroom habits. This handy feature helps catch changes that could indicate health issues, giving you peace of mind. So why settle for ordinary when you can upgrade to extraordinary? With the PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Pro, you can reclaim your time and enjoy a cleaner home. Your cat will thank you, although they may not say it out loud, and your floors will definitely appreciate it. Number 4. PetPivot Autoscooper 11, our pick for best open-top automatic litter box. If you're tired of living in a house that smells like a feline version of a trash heap, the PetPivot Autoscooper 11 is here to save the day. And your nose. This open-top self-cleaning litter box is designed with your cat's comfort in mind. With a spacious entrance measuring 16.3 3-inch by 15.35 inch, even your larger furry friends will feel right at home, while the open design keeps odors at bay, ensuring your living room doesn't double as a cat fragrance exhibit. Worried about your kitty's safety? Don't be. With advanced sensors that detect your cat's presence, the self-cleaning process halts on a dime if your curious companion decides to investigate mid-cycle. It's all about creating a safe, stress-free zone for your pet, which is just what you need when you're juggling work and your cat's demanding social calendar. And there's more good news. The 10-liter waste bin holds up to 10 days worth of waste. That's 10 days of not scooping. The odor locking system keeps things fresh so you can breathe easy while your cat lounges in their new throne of cleanliness. Plus, with ultra-quiet operation at less than 32 decibels, you and your sensitive feline can enjoy a peaceful oasis without the noisy interruptions. So go ahead, invest in the PetPivot Autoscooper 11, because a happy cat means a happy home. Still searching for the perfect automatic litter box? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Kasa Leos L2, our pick for best automatic litter box for design. If you're tired of the daily grind of litter scooping and want to elevate your cat parenting game, meet Kasa Leos L2, the automatic litter box that practically runs itself. Say goodbye to clumps splattering your hands and hello to an innovative waste sifting machine. The loo detects when your fluffy friend has made their deposit, sifts through the litter like a high-tech ninja, and sends the waste straight to a hidden drawer below, all without you lifting a finger more than once a week. But wait, there's more! With 100% of users attesting to its stellar odor control, the L2 pairs a tightly sealed waste drawer with carbon filters, working overtime to keep those stinky surprises at bay. Plus, you can now play doctor with your kitty thanks to the connected health monitoring app. It tracks every visit and even logs your fur baby's weight, helping you catch potential health issues before they become a concern. And if you're worried about waking the whole house during cleaning cycles, fear not. It operates at a whisper quiet 30 decibel. So quiet you might wonder if it's even working. Safety? Check. The Loo 2 comes equipped with a trio of sensors, ensuring your feline stays safe during its pampered bathroom escapades. It's time to let technology take the reins. Your cat deserves it, and so do you. Number 2. Petkit PuraMax 2. Our pick for best runner-up automatic litter box. If you're tired of the never-ending struggle with litter boxes that resemble battle zones, then the Petkit PuraMax 2 might just be your feline friend's new throne. With a spacious 76-liter fill space and a nearly 8-inch front hole opening, this automatic litter box is designed for convenience and cleanliness. Though you might want to check if Mr. Fluffy's built like a sumo wrestler before you invest. Notably, this clever contraption allows you to monitor your kitty's bathroom habits through an app. Yes, that's right, you can now obsess over your cat's usage statistics from the comfort of your couch. The litter box cleans itself by rotating using a nifty grate system that makes waste disappear faster than your cat can say, "treat." Plus, it boasts triple odor control with a sealed waste bin, a citrusy deodorizer, and an actual fragrance that might even make you forget it's a litter box. Well, almost. While the app does have a few too many ads for Petkit's other products, it does let you change settings manually. Just a heads up, if your cat's a little bit of a daredevil, be cautious during the cleaning cycle, and if you're sharing space with a hefty feline, that top hole might feel like a cozy cave. But hey, at least you won't be nose deep in cat litter anymore. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Whisker Litter-Robot 4, our pick for best automatic litter box overall. If you're tired of playing the role of an amateur archaeologist, excavating your cat's litter box daily, then let me introduce you to your new best friend, the Whisker Litter-Robot 4. This isn't just an automatic litter box. It's a self-cleaning marvel that takes the ugh out of your kitty's business. With its clever sifting process, it automatically separates your feline's treasures from the pristine litter, meaning you'll only need to empty the waste drawer when it's full. No more midnight scooping. But wait, there's more. With the Whisker app at your fingertips, you can monitor waste levels, control the litter box, and even track your furry friend's weight. It's like having a personal trainer but for your cat. Plus, say goodbye to those pesky litter box odors. The automatic clean cycle and odor trap packs do the heavy lifting, leaving your home smelling fresh as a daisy. Concerned about litter getting tracked around your home? Fret not. The litter trap mat and fence are on duty catching those stray bits on their way out. And let's not forget, this beauty can handle up to 4 cats. So if you're the proud parent of a fur family, you're all set. Just make sure each cat is at least 3 pounds and you're golden. Say hello to a cleaner home, less fuss, and more time lounging with your furball. Happy scooping, or should I say happy relaxing? That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best automatic litter boxes. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which automatic litter box you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.